Hey Blackman Sparks. The special area team is here to get together, and we're working on trying to teach you guys some test taking strategies. And so with TCAP coming up next week, we thought we would help you guys out and teach you some of those. So I hope you find this beneficial to you.
First of all, make sure you read the directions carefully. Oftentimes, the directions will tell you the time limit for the test and the amount of questions there are. This is important information because it helps you understand how to pace yourself throughout the test.
I have 45 problems and only 30 minutes left. I gotta hurry up!
Remember to use the process of elimination if you do not know the answer. When you do not know the right answer, look for a wrong answer and eliminate it. This will increase your chances of guessing correctly. It might be a silly or ridiculous answer, or you might just know for sure that it is not correct. A, B, C, D. Oh, I know it's not this one.
Look for key words along the way that help you better understand what the question is asking you. Words such as
Compare and contrast.
Except.
Not.
Predict.
Keep track of the tough questions by marking them down as you go throughout the test. This way you'll know exactly which ones to look over when you go back and check your work.
Just put a little star or check mark next to it in the TCAP booklet.
Never mark tough problems on your bubble sheet. Your bubble sheet is graded by a Scantron machine, and you wouldn't want it to think that the extra markings are the answers.
Remember that on the math section, you will get a couple of pieces of scrap paper. You can use that to write down the number of all the tough problems.
remember to check your work if you complete the test early and there is some time remaining. Don't just sit there like zombies.
Also, don't you change that first guess. Don't waste your time switching from guess to guess. Unless you checked your work and figured out the correct answer, just stick with your first guess.
And finally, get plenty of sleep the night before and eat a good breakfast. However, a good breakfast shouldn't be a big breakfast. Overeating can cause you to feel tired and lazy. Can you guess which one of these two ate too much for breakfast?
If you keep these things in mind, I guarantee you'll give your best effort and you won't make any silly mistakes. Happy testing!
testing!